My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that come from the site aircelloware.com. aircelloware.com. This is the website that displays fake alerts in the form of push notifications. These alerts are intrusive ads attacking many popular browsers today, but primarily these pop-ups target Google Chrome browser. It is extremely dangerous for you to interact with all these pop-ups. As you can clearly see, they try to make you click on the special allow button. But doing that is a serious mistake. If you click on allow, you may be forwarded to some other questionable content. Also, you may start receiving the great portion of advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right part of your computer screen. So to deactivate these ads, you should immediately fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings. Now scroll down to Permissions and click on Notifications. Carefully examine the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find these malicious sites, you need to remove them from this list, and this should fix the issues very well. I would also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So download the software using this green button, install it, and start investigating your system to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.